Okay, students. So now we'll study about cell shape. Okay. See, and whether it's animal cell or whether it's plant cells, all cells have their specific functions. Okay. Like for example, there are animal cell. Inside an animal, there are different kinds of cells, like white blood cells. Okay, white blood, they help the body to fight against infection. They are amoeboid in shape. Amoeba के shape में होते हैं. Okay. They shape and move like amoeba. Okay. Then you have muscle cells which are present in the muscles of animals or humans. They are spindle shape. स्पिंडल शेप आप समझते होंगे कि एंड्स जो हैं वो पॉइंटेड होते हैं और बीच की बॉडी थोड़ा सा इट्स अ लिटिल स्वॉलो, और एंड्स जो हैं वो बिल्कुल पॉइंटेड लाइक दिस. ओके. देन देर आर नर्व सेल्स. दे आर क्वाइट लॉन्ग, वेरी लॉन्ग सेल्स, और एंड्स पे जहाँ से वेयर एवर द नर्व सेल्स एंड इट फॉर्म्स ब्रांचेस. दे आर लॉन्ग और एंड्स पे उनकी branches निकली होती हैं. Like there are liver cells, red blood cells, they all are round in shape. So what I mean to say that different types of cells have different shape. White blood cells are amoeboid in shape. Red blood cells, liver cells, they are round or spherical in shape. Whereas your muscle cells, they are spindle in shape. Okay. Similarly, when you talk about plant cells, so in plant cells there are different types of like guard cells which are present in stomata, mesophyll cells which are present in leaf. Then you have xylem vessels which helps in conduction of water and minerals. So these all have different shape. Like guard cells, kidney shape. Guard cells are kidney shaped, while your mesophyll cells, they are long and rectangular in shape. Xylem vessels, they are cylindrical in shape. So you see, in plants or in animals, there are different cells with different shape. Some are round, some are spherical, some are amoeboid, some are rectangular, some are cylindrical, some are long with branching at the ends. So there are cells of different shape and size. Now we come to the size of the cell. See, in a living organism, the cell can be as small as 0.5 to 0.15, 0.5 or 0.1 to 0.15 micron. 1 micron is 10 to the minus 6 centimeters. You can imagine how much small one cell can be. From 0.1 micron or micrometer to 0.15 micrometer, and the longest cell can be long as 1 meter. Those are nerve cells. It can be as long as 1 meter, and the average size varies from 0.5 to 20 micron in diameter. In width. Okay. See, that is the maximum length can be 1 meter, minimum can be 0.1 meter, but average, whatever average size is there, that is around 0.5 to 20 micron. Like for example, you have your red blood cells. The red blood cells in a human body, they are about 7 micron in diameter. 7 micron. Then you have kidney or liver cells. They are about 20 to 30 microns in your diameter. Nerve cells 1 meter long. Ostrich आपने देखा है, the ostrich egg can be around 17 centimeter in diameter. Width में it can be around 17 centimeter, means more than your scale. जो normal scale आप use करते हैं, उससे चौड़ा ostrich का egg हो सकता है. Okay, so what actually the meaning of all these statement is that living organism cell can vary in size also. शेप में आपने देखा, कोई रेक्टेंगुलर, कोई सिलिंड्रिकल, कोई कैसा, एंड इन साइज इट कैन अगेन चेंज. One can be as long as 1 meter, can be small as 0.1 micrometer, can be 7 micrometer, can be 20 micrometer. So it keeps on changing in size as well. Okay, students, so till now what have you studied? You have studied that about cell, who discovered it, cell theory, then unicellular and multicellular organisms, then cell diversity of different shape and different sizes you studied. I hope it's clear. Okay, now comes cell structure. Cell का structure कैसा होता है? How does a cell look like? Okay, see, एक cell, एक आप dot रख दीजिए अपनी copy में. A cell is that big, okay, or that small you can say. So when we talk about cell structure, तो there is a membrane over a cell, बहुत delicate होता है. So inside, outside the cell there is a cell membrane, or we call it plasma membrane also. Function क्या होता है? What is the function of cell membrane or the plasma membrane? एक cell है, cell की जो outer covering, that is called cell or plasma membrane. First of all, its function is that it maintains the shape of the cell. अगर आप किसी चीज़ की कवरिंग कर देते हैं ऊपर से, तो क्या होता है? वो बिल्कुल उसी शेप का हो जाता है. सो सेल membrane maintains cell shape. Second, cell membranes allows the entry of selected things inside a cell. मतलब आप कुछ भी खा रहे हैं, if it is harmful for your body, harmful for your cell membrane won't allow that thing to enter inside the cell and destroy you, unless and until the thing is very hard, and the cell membrane also cannot prevent it. But most of the things, cell membrane prevents it from entering inside the cell. So what is the function of cell membrane? The function of cell membrane is that cell membrane helps in maintaining the shape of the cell. It is selectively permeable. That means it allows entry and exit of certain substances inside and outside the cell. Then in plant cells, the cells are more delicate. Animals में सिर्फ cell membrane होती है. In plant, पहले तो cell होता है, उस सेल के ऊपर कवरिंग सेल मेम्ब्रेन, और सेल मेम्ब्रेन के ऊपर भी एक कवरिंग होती है, उसको हम कहते हैं सेल वॉल. सेल वॉल का क्या काम है? अगेन इट प्रोटेक्ट्स योर सेल, इट गिव्स रिजिडिटी, मतलब थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेंथ प्रोवाइड करता है ताकि सेल ब्लास्ट ना हो. एंड अगेन इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द सेल मेम्ब्रेन. मतलब एक सेल है, उसके ऊपर की कवरिंग को हमने क्या कहा? वी कॉल्ड इट सेल मेम्ब्रेन. वो सेल मेम्ब्रेन प्लांट में भी होती है, एनिमल में भी होती है. और प्लांट्स में, इन प्लांट्स सेल मेम्ब्रेन के ऊपर भी एक कवरिंग होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड सेल वॉल. सेल मेम्ब्रेन, सेल वॉल दोनों का काम है टू प्रोटेक्ट. प्लांट में डबल कवरिंग क्यों होती है? बिकॉज प्लांट सेल्स आर वेरी वेरी डेलिकेट, सो दे नीड टू कवरिंग्स. एनिमल सेल कंपेरेटिवली स्ट्रांग होता है, सो दैट मीन्स इट रिक्वायर्स ओनली वन प्रोटेक्शन, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड सेल मेम्ब्रेन. काम दोनों का क्या है? टू मेंटेन द शेप ऑफ द सेल, टू प्रोटेक्ट द सेल, एंड टू गिव रिजिडिटी टू द सेल, एंड अलाउ सर्टेन सब्सटेंसेस टू मूव इनसाइड एंड आउटसाइड द cell. Okay, now this is the half of the chapter. In the next class we will study the latter half of the chapter. Okay students, now I'll be giving you some assignments. Kindly complete it, and in the next class we'll complete this chapter. Okay, thank you so much.